Hey guys, welcome back to Salvage Boys. Today we're working on the boat, but before we start working, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, really helps us out. Also follow us on Instagram at Salvage Boys. But today we're just trying to get little things done. Here's the boat. So I'm trying to change, like little stuff like the winch, do some wiring, replace all this wiring, run different wiring to my amps and all that good stuff. So today is going to be, a lot of getting those boxes unboxed and getting all the little stuff I ordered for this boat. Already forgot what I ordered. I've been kind of slacking on it. Winter's coming. I mean, it was freezing this morning. Good thing it's warm in the shop. So I just de-winterized the boat, hoping I was going to get it done and on the water and even test a couple of weeks or a couple of days at least, but I don't know if that's gonna happen this year. So I'm gonna try to button this up so I can, at least if I have a good day here in a week or two, I can take it on the water, make sure it works, winterize it, park it, and enjoy it next year. If not, we'll just work on it through the winter and get it 100% for next year. But I'm really hoping I can get it done. I'm not trying to rush it just to get it done, but also it would be nice to test it this year. So today I'm going to try to do some wiring, speakers, little stuff like replacing like the winch, what else, like little buttons that are broken, re-clearing the odometer lenses, just little stuff like that, which is probably going to take me a long time. But stay tuned and let's start working on this boat. Alright you guys, I got this unbolted up, so that's off. This one served its purpose. I mean, I could have just replaced the strap, but I found this not too expensive black one, so I think it'll match, the tires and this stuff, the wheels. So I'll slap that on there. I already unhooked this, so let's take this out. So that's that. Out with the old and with the new. Right here. There we go. Much better. Look at that, brand new. Nice handle. It works. Nice and tight. Got 4 bolts in there. See that, those kind of little things. It's not much, but I mean, it's got to get done. So that's done. Let's move on. Maybe to the lights over here. I got all new lights because some of them don't work. So let's find them in the box and get to work. So I was checking on the lights and some of them don't work. Some of them do. So I don't know. I didn't even want to mess around with it because I looked on the wiring. It looked like it was spliced together. It was dry, cracked. So I went ahead and here's the new wiring I got. So here's the new wires running back. I got some tail lights, some turn signals, some side markers, all LED, and some hardware. So I guess not wasting time, let's get this wiring ran, make sure everything works. There's a kind of a mess over here. I don't know what's going on, but I'll find out. So all kinds of stuff in here, plus I accidentally screwed that thing in there. But I want to get all this figured out and get to work. Well, after a little bit of work, all the wires are out of there. So I got a new wire ran. You can see both sides. New side markers on. So all LED. Look at this rear lights. Everything's ran. Everything's brand new. And didn't have time to do much. Don't have much time today, but got at least a little bit done. Alright guys, welcome back to Salvage Boys. This is day 2 or 3. I don't keep track. I just try to record whenever I'm working on it. I didn't even record some of this stuff, but what I did off camera was get bigger holes drilled. So that's where the speakers go. I had a 6-inch or something, 6.5, and I went to 8-inch speakers. So got the holes drilled, kind of tucked the wiring away. This is the new wiring that's gonna go in there, nice and heavy duty. And instead of going from every speaker to the stereo, I'm gonna have it go from every speaker to the back right in there. I'm thinking, still kind of figuring it out. That's where I'm gonna put all my amplifiers and run all the wiring. Then just run RCA up here, or these guys right here, to the stereo. So that's that for now. It's a mess in here. Got the vacuumed some stuff out, picked up the rest of the upholstery, turned out super nice. There's some right there. So now, since the upholstery is all off, I'm gonna try to wire the sound system, the lights. Now I'm messing with the stock amplifier and trying to get this thing. Let me show you guys. So for the tower, this plug, trying to convert it to whatever I need it. So just kind of going back every wire and trying to make it my way nice. And because I'm not gonna use this stereo for now, but I kind of want to use that little remote right there to control the stereo. So I'm trying to figure out right now what I'm gonna do, because I also want to be able to turn down the sub, the amp, or I mean the sub, the towers, the speakers, all independently with some little switches or little knobs, because sometimes you don't want the tower speakers, sometimes you want lower here, high tower speakers. So there's a thing that Wet Sound sells. It's like a little mixer thing, but it's like $500 or $380. So I'm gonna try to build my own for under $50. That's the plan, and just get like a little stereo, like $150 stereo that has Bluetooth, because I don't believe this has Bluetooth. This is some old ass stereo. So I'm gonna try to re-engineer all the wiring there, see what's up, and run all my own wiring, because I don't really like the sound system in here. So see what happens. Alright you guys, welcome to my mess. Check this out. But at least I labeled everything. Look, driver middle, driver front, and I ran all the new speaker wires. Nice wires. There's 200 feet over there. I have more, don't worry. I'm running everything there. So in theory, let me get the light on here. So in theory, I'm gonna have all the wires run here or here. I haven't decided, so we'll see. And then here are the big wires. They're gonna run from the amplifier or from the stereo back to the amplifier. And there's some inline, where is it? Inline level controls, so I can turn down the input. So that's gonna be that. And I'm gonna run another remote wire. There's some wires here, so I don't know if it works. Looks like some cheesy wire. So I got some heavy duty nice wires. So that's that. Custom sound system. Fun. I don't know why I'm doing it, but hopefully it'll turn out real nice. I want to make it look nice. I want to make sure so I can enjoy it, or if I sell it, I want to make sure this thing is just perfect, you know. So stay tuned. Look at this bundle of wires. So we got interior speakers, sub, and tower, and there's just an extra power and ground for the stereo. I was gonna run it separate from the boat, my way. Always better way, I guess. But so these are the signal wires from. These are gonna plug into the back of the stereo, and well, there's gonna be a splitter and stuff here, but these are gonna be on the back of the stereo, and these are gonna go to the amps back here. So, and then I gotta make wires that are from the amps to the batteries. Nice ones. I got some wires there. I think it's 8 gauge or 6 gauge wire, and go from there. So let's get that done. Gotta get some what do you call those, fuses, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here's this. Got rid of all that. I gotta still get rid of this. I think this is the antenna, so I'll keep. And this is the remote. So I'm gonna try to find a stereo where I can use this remote. This I believe is for this guy. So that's that. So it's all ran through here. This is the middle speaker. It's all in there. So I got 2 new holes drilled for these big speakers right here. So I'm adding 2 of those speakers. Got all the wires ran. So hold on, I was gonna show you guys this. Got rid of all the wiring, all the crap in here. Here's this guy. That's for the tower. So there's gonna be 4 speakers on the tower. So I need to run those through here nicely my way because everything's corroded and all that good stuff. Let me jump down and show you what I got with the light situation. Don't mind the mess, I'm just opening all the boxes. But in here we have the tower cases and the face. Then we got the speakers. I believe that's what's in here. Let's see. Yep, 4 towers. So they're white, so it's gonna look nice on the black tower. Here's the light bar. This one's going in front. As you guys can see, it's a pretty big one. And I'll have this one facing to the back. And then I have 4 pods I'm gonna have facing down so we can, when for cleaning out the boat or something at night, it's nice to have. Here the wire harness got. So I gotta run these switches to the front. One will power the front and back light bar, and the other one will power the interior one. Also got these lights, like glow ones, but they're like little glow lights. Turn on the light. But they're like an outlet one, so I might use these at home. These are pretty nice, and maybe get some other ones. That's bright. Get some other ones for the boat, or just there's some lights underneath, so maybe change them to like LED different colors. So that's gonna be that. But yeah, it's a lot of wiring. So here's this thing. I opened it up, but it's pretty corroded in there. I don't know how well it's gonna work. So plus I need more wires in there. I have 4, so this only has 2 for the speakers. So I have 4 speakers that I'm gonna go in there, and I'm gonna put 2 different power sources for the lights. So I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna go to the hardware store and see if I can buy one, maybe like a trailer hitch or something, hook it up, make it look nice in there. But yeah, then I have to run everything through the tower, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, this is all the old stuff right here. There's more right here. So just getting all the old stuff out. Got a couple amplifiers right here. Here's one. There's another one up there somewhere. Here's the box to it. But yeah, this is a mess. I don't know. I hate when this is a mess like that. But instead of, cleaning up after every single time I work on this, so I'm gonna just bust this through. I have everything ran, so I just have to wire it in, clean it up, zip tie everything nicely. Here's all the wires for the amps. So I think I'm gonna have all that, all the connectors. I mean, you get the idea. So I'm not really showing you guys how everything all this gets put together, but I'll just show you clip there, clip there. So I'm just trying to figure out how the system worked on the boat and making it my way, because I just like it my way. I want to make sure I can control everything. I want to make sure I can see everything. This is, from 2007, it's good, but I want to make sure it's up to date and everything is, top technology, not some, old stuff. It doesn't even have Bluetooth, so I need to figure something out with that. But yeah, I don't know if I'm going to continue on today, but there's a lot of drilling, a lot of fiberglass on my hands and all that good stuff, but got all the holes drilled out because I had these other holes. Let me see if you guys can see right there. See, they were only 6 inches, so I drilled those out. There's my test hole. So I drilled those out, make sure the speakers fit, because I went with 8-inch speakers all around. So 6 speakers inside the boat, 4 8-inch tower speakers on top of that. So we'll have 10 speakers plus a sub. I haven't gotten the sub or the amp for this yet, but I'm gonna run everything so I can just hook it up. I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it or how big I want to go, so I'm gonna run everything one way and see how it sounds, and then see what happens. So stay tuned until next clip. You guys are probably tired of me saying until next clip, but just stay tuned. Thank you for being patient. Alright, you guys, so been a couple hours, been messing around with this thing, but look at that. 2 speakers right there installed, perfect. Wires ran right in there, and these guys are wired up, but I'm not putting them in yet because I still need to screw all this stuff down from the back. So gonna try it on some upholstery. Gotta have to wipe it down, getting it dirty already, but so that's there. Let me show you how it looks. I mean, it's gonna be nice. 450 watt each, or whatever they say. Whatever that is, it's not the best. It's a budget thing, but look at that. Budget thing, I'm redoing everything, but I still have the 2 speakers that go in there. I cut the hole out, so I gotta fit that in there. Gotta start assembling, but the upholstery turned out super nice. Look at that. I just gotta refresh all that, the gray, make it shiny. I mean, still trying to make it nice. I don't know where I'm gonna put the switches, if I want to put everything in there, control it in there, or while I'm driving control it, but probably not gonna be driving by myself, so probably put it there. It's kind of nice out of the way, nice and secure. So here's that, here's this guy, but I don't know, tell me what you guys think. It's a mess right now, but it's coming along slowly. So alright, you guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna call it for the video for today. I'm tired running these wires, trying to figure it out at the same time. So next video I'm gonna try to button up all the wires and start putting all the upholstery on, see how it turns out. But let me know what you think, where I can find a stereo that this remote thing will work, because I don't think it's bad. Just clean it up. I want to make sure I can put, you know, volume and all that good stuff, channel, power. That'd be kind of nice to have it there. But let me know what you guys think, what I should go, or what stereo I should buy. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Salvage Boys. But I'm gonna call it for the video. See you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.